Good morning, seventh graders. Happy Friday to you. May 15th today. Looks like it is going to be a beautiful day today outside. For science, there is no new assignment for today. I would like you to just finish working on the gizmo about natural selection, where you are pretending that you are a bird hunting for moths. So that's the only new work today, is just to finish that up. That's the only assignment. Just a reminder that if you did not get your marigold last week, you can pick that up today. I'll be at school from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock this afternoon. Hopefully, if you want to get your marigold, you can make it. If not, please let me know via Schoology and we'll try and figure something else out. I will have the Google Meet open for help time until about 2:30, and then I need to drive to Faribault to get the plants down there. Just a reminder, any of the later assignments or anything that is missing can be made up. So if you are behind, please take some time to try and catch yourself up. If you are trying to do the Friday phenology assignments, I have closed the first two, the older ones, and you can't turn those in anymore, because the purpose of that assignment is so you were outside and watching for changes that occurred each time that we did those observations. In the gradebook, I will have that marked as, or I'll have that blank so it does not affect your grade, but you're not going to be able to make those up because the goal is that you're looking for changes, not doing them all at the same time. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. But again, if you're behind, ask questions, send me a Schoology message, come to the Google Meet, take some time to get yourself caught up. Okay, we've got a couple weeks left. Let's try and finish off strong. Have a great day and a great weekend.